Let's start in 3 times zoom. Activating focus track to see if the goal may be possible to select. Didn't happen, so I selected manually. Now I'm moving a bit back and forth to change it from focus tracking to a GPS reference. Yeah, there we got it. Now shifting from 3x to 1x, the recording stops and automatically starts again. But the tracking still remains. That's good news. Let's do some moves then to see what it's capable of and how well it managed to focus my selected target in every moves. It works. That is good news. Now let's look at what it looks like on the video. Sadly, not a very smooth transition, but my main aim was to construct the GPS reference in 3x and then start filming in 1x to see if it actually kept the tracking. Because doing the same in 1x, I'm not quite sure if I've met the object so good that I did now.